By the time we get to the picnic area, the rain will stop. Option A. Will stop. Option B. Shall stop. Option C. Will has stopped. Option D. Shall have stopped. Option E. Will have stopped. The correct answer is option E. Hours of driving laid ahead of us. Option A. Laid. Option B. Have lain. Option C. Lay. Option D. Has lay. Option E. Lie. The correct answer is option C. If Judy would not have missed the deadline, the yearbook delivery would have been on time. Option A. Would not have missed. Option B. Should have not missed. Option C. Wouldn't have missed. Option D. Had not missed. Option E. Would have not missed. The correct answer is option D. We spent Sunday afternoon wandering aimless in the park. Option A. Wandering aimless. Option B. Wandering aimlessly. Option C. Wandering without purpose. Option D. Wandering in an aimless manner. Option E. Wandering almost aimlessly. The correct answer is option B.